अगर क्लैट 2027 की तैयारी कर रहे हो and if you're looking for a trusted and affordable coaching, then welcome to We Learn Legal's RM batch. Let me quickly tell you what you will get inside of this batch. In this batch, we will cover your syllabus 3 times. First, with the live classes that happen every single day and you get to interact with the teachers just in the class. They are interactive classes where you can ask your doubts on the spot. Now, for the second time, your syllabus will be covered through the pre-recorded lectures and the conceptual classes that are already available on your dashboard, and you can watch them as many times as you want to. So these pre-recorded classes actually help you to revise your syllabus again and again. And also, if you want to read or you want to learn about a topic beforehand, even before the live class happens, you just need to go to your student portal and watch the recorded class as many times as you want. And for the third time and the most crucial time, we will be covering your syllabus through a revision capsule through our crash course that starts from September onwards. This is actually one of the most effective crash courses that can help you to cover your syllabus in the last days of your preparation. So with this, we effectively cover your syllabus thrice, even starting from April. Live classes, recorded classes, and through the crash course. So this RM batch is starting from the dates as you can see on your screens right now, and this is the most perfect time to start your CLAT preparation. Also, in this batch, you will be getting 30 plus full-length mocks that are completely on the CLAT pattern, and we will make sure that all your syllabus and the most important parts of your current affairs zone also get covered in these mocks. Now, apart from these full-length mocks, you also get hundreds and thousands of practice questions, sectional tests, and topic tests right on your portal. So imagine with me, bachcho, you take a class on a particular topic. Let's say it was Law of Torts, Vicarious Liability. As soon as your topic and the class is completed, you get a complete topic test from the very same things you have read in this class. And with this, you will be able to cover and practically implement whatever you learned in the class that very day. This is called effective learning. Why? Because one side you learn the theory and at the very same time you're able to put it into your practical use. So after every class, we give you topic test and sectional test depending upon what topic you covered in that class. With this, you have your full-length mocks, sectional test, practice questions, topic test, and many more practice question modules that are available in PDF as well as on your portal as well. Now let me also tell you about our specialized area, which is our GK. We have always been complimented for the coverage of our GK topics because last year also so many questions came from what we taught in our GK classes. And the good news here is, bachcho, that our RM batch automatically includes our GK Rapid Revision batch within itself. With this, you get special classes for GK Current Affairs and Static GK every single week, more than 1000 practice questions from the most important 50 topics from every single month, monthly current affairs magazines for not just your current affairs and static GK, but also your legal current affairs included in the batch, and also a complete doubt solving portal which will give you quizzes and take up all your doubts every single day. Now, when it comes to solving your doubts, we are actually very proud to tell you, bachcho, that all our students are a part of a very special premium WhatsApp group where you can message anytime you want. I am myself available in that group along with your other faculties who will be teaching you in the classes, so that whenever doubt you have, you get it solved right there in the WhatsApp group. And for any more doubts, one more feature that we have is going to help you a lot. That is our WLL GPT. Now let me tell you quickly that why RM batch is the most amazing and different batch that you can find for your CLAT preparation. In this batch, bachcho, we give you an exclusive access to WLL GPT, which is our hyper-personalized AI tool specially made for students like you who are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examinations. In WLL GPT, you get access to making your personalized roadmap and study plan, which will help you to make your daily, weekly, monthly, and an overall timetable so that you just need to stick to it and your syllabus will be completed in no time. Now, apart from this, bachcho, for all your doubts, anytime you get, literally anytime you get, you can ask more than 1000 doubts in a month from WLL GPT. Now, this doubt could be from a question, from a lecture, from a YouTube video that you were watching, or anything for that matter. You just need to put it up in the WLL GPT and it will give you a personalized, proper answer to that particular doubt. And you know what? You can even ask WLL GPT to make quizzes for you on every day's newspaper as well. You just need to ask it to make a quiz for you from that day's newspaper or current affairs, and it will give you exactly CLAT pattern quiz for you to practice every single day. और बच्चों, WLL GPT के लिए तुम्हें कुछ भी अलग से पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It will remain as your study companion till your CLAT examination and even after that if you're preparing for other law entrance examinations as well. And you will always have a study buddy at your side to help you and motivate you during this preparation. Now, I'm sure that by this time you must be really wondering that what exactly is the price of this batch, because इतने सारे features जब मैं आपको बता रही हूँ तो definitely the price of this batch should really go high, right? But बच्चों, that is what the golden thing is, that we have placed the price of this batch to be highly affordable. You don't have to pay a lakh, 80,000 or even 50,000 for this batch, we have brought Aram batch for CLAT 2027 for you at just 29,999. Yes, that is exactly what you need to play, inclusive of the WLL GPT, live classes, mock, our self-prep Swayam batch, GK Rapid Revision batch, Crash Course Sankalp batch. All of these are included in this price for 29,999. तो इसीलिए बच्चों जल्दी से अपनी सीट बुक करो क्योंकि टाइम बिल्कुल वेस्ट नहीं करना है. We are starting afresh from this month and that is why it's golden time for you to start your preparation with We Learn Legal's Aram batch.
Hello everyone, I'm Atyash Singh and I secured an all-India rank of 775 in CLAT 2026. A significant reason behind my success is the We Learn Legal team and Shiva Khan ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Laksh Walia. So I did join the We Learn Legal team, and with the help of their carefully curated current affairs and monthly magazines, nearly 98 to 99% current affairs were from their magazines only.
So I'm just sharing my experience regarding the batch with you all. So firstly, I just want to say the classes provided by We Learn Legal are well structured and syllabus focused, and the faculties of We Learn Legal are really very experienced and approachable. Thank you to Shiva ma'am and entire team of We Learn Legal for their continuous support and guidance in my preparation.
The material and the live classes, both are amazingly amazing. Shiva ma'am is one of the genuinest and honest person I have ever met.
Hello everyone, my name is Anita. My daughter's name is Abhishma. We are from Hyderabad. My daughter has taken CLAT classes from Shiva Khan madam. She is very good with the CLAT related teaching, and she is a gold medalist from the university. And I have seen her in the online classes also. She is really very good in teaching me the briefing and current affairs which my daughter has taken. And thank you so much Shiva Khan madam for giving me.
मैं विनय शुक्ला, सरगम शुक्ला का फादर बोल रहा हूँ। मेरी बेटी सरगम आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में इतने अच्छे से पढ़ रही है, उसका एडमिशन अप्रैल महीने में आरएम बैच में हुआ था मैम, और पढ़ने में उसकी रुचि पहले से ही थी, अभी और ज्यादा बढ़ गई है शिवा मैम और सभी टीचरों की वजह से कि बच्चे सभी अच्छे से समझ रहे हैं। कंपटीशन की भावना भी आती है तो उसमें पढ़ाई भी अच्छी होती है मैम। और सरगम को तो मैंने बहुत सेफ हैंड में दे दिया है आप लोग के साथ, और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का मैम।
हेलो, मैं सिमरन की मम्मी हूँ। वी लर्न लीगल के इस प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से मेरी बेटी की बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई हो रही है, और शिवा मैम लीगल का सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते हैं तो बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाते हैं, उसकी वजह से उनका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बहुत बढ़ गया है।
सब टीचर बहुत अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं, शिवा मैम बहुत अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं। वो एक टीचर ही नहीं बल्कि स्टूडेंट के फ्रेंड की तरह रहते हैं। इंग्लिश हो या करंट अफेयर, सभी सब्जेक्ट के टीचर अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं।